I just want to fucking punch this cake. Tomorrow is our daughter Luna's first birthday. I wanted to make her like a really special cake. I'm hoping I won't have to send her dad out to go and buy a grocery store cake later today. What we're doing is Preppy Kitchen's blackberry lemony cake. Luna is obsessed with blackberries. Let's go. Flour, sugar, the baking powder, and the salt. I'm gonna add the butter. This is a nice like crumbly texture. We're gonna mix the milk, the egg whites, the lemon juice, the sour cream, and the lemon zest. Pour in this wet mixture. It smells amazing. Into the baking dish. 350 for 33 to 36 minutes. And I'm gonna take my 6 egg yolks and strain them. Whisk the eggs and pour in the sugar. Now I'm gonna take my 6 ounces of blackberries. Strain through the sieve. Combine these 2 mixtures. So we're gonna bring the mixture up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk continuously until you get to the heat you want. If I can recommend anything is buy your kid's first birthday cake at the grocery store. All right, your butter. I'm just gonna stir this. Oh my gosh, it's so good. A new relationship with you. This is too much work. I'm so tired. So we're gonna put our room temp butter into the mixer. Whip it up. Now I'm gonna sift the confectioner's sugar. Now I'm gonna mix in orange blossom water. Mascarpone. You only wanna mix for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. This is the next day and the frosting curdled. I read online that if I just like let it come to room temp and whisk it, it might help. It's still a little curdled, but it tastes good. We're gonna have a little happy birthday for Luna. Do a zoom, and we're gonna be able to see the look on her face when she has something so sweet for the first time. I think what I want is blackberries poking out beautifully. This is so cute. This is a rustic cake. It doesn't have to be perfect. Damn it. Now it looks like a fucking Halloween fucking scary cake. It's a cute cake that you made for your daughter on her first birthday. I know that in the back of my mind. But in the front of my mind, I just want to fucking punch this cake. No, I don't actually. And this, my friends, is why cakes are so expensive. We had many ups and many downs. It's pretty beautiful, and I think it's gonna taste really good. She doesn't have any pants on because she's on a Zoom, so why does she need to wear pants? Okay, we're gonna blow out the candle.
Oh my gosh! Look at this! It's a girl in a Oh my gosh! That's so big now! Look at this! What are you doing in there? In your mouth. Yes.
Uh-oh.
I'm not here. And Luna, she's just tearing it apart now.
All that cake was getting in the way of blackberries.